Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So we will start today's lecture. In today's lecture, we will see what is OpenGL, introduction to OpenGL, and different graphics function, and what is the primitive and attribute of the OpenGL. That is, we will take the basic idea of the OpenGL. First of all, I will give you just introduction to OpenGL and tell you what is the step to install the OpenGL or GULT library. Today we will have CG practical. Okay, so be with your computer or laptop, or whoever don't have the computer, you can do the programming on the systems in the lab. Okay, so where are the other people? Only 38 is joining. So, shall I start or wait for them? So let's start installation of OpenGL or GULT. So whenever you start installation of OpenGL in Ubuntu, we have to first prepare for your Linux operating system from OpenGL development. So you have to install some basic library. So how can you install? I told you in Windows, what you can do, you can directly run the exe file, right? When you double click on any exe file, then your software is automatically installed in the Windows. But in Ubuntu or in any open source OS, you have to give them command to install the libraries. So all these are the command for installation of the different library, that is sudo apt get update. So what it will do, it will update your OS. Okay, so sudo apt get install free gult 3. So it is the we can say the updated version of gult. So what is gult, I will tell you in further lecture. So just make a note of all this instruction, or I will share you this PPT in our practical group, I think WhatsApp group SC practicals. So you have to use all these command in today's practical session. Okay, so sudo apt get install free gult 3 development, dve means develop. So again, all these are the G++, C main. So this is for C. So all these library you have to install on your Ubuntu system after installation of Ubuntu. Okay. So after your development library have been installed, to get information about OpenGL and OpenGLX implementation running on a given X display. Actually हमने, अगर आप लोगों को याद आ रहा होगा, तो लास्ट टाइम जो हमने प्रैक्टिकल सेशन किया था टू कंपाइल एंड एग्जीक्यूट द सी और C++ प्रोग्राम, वी जस्ट डू G++, हमारा जो भी फाइल नेम था वो फाइल नाम लेके .c और .c++ करके एंटर किया था, राइट? It will compile your program in normal C or C++ programming. But for OpenGL, you have to write LGLUT. This is L, not I or not other. This is L. What is this? This is GLUT. So what is UT? I will explain you in the today's lecture. Okay. Then IGL, then IGLEW and IGLU. So if you write -o XX means file name, whatever the file name you have stored. Here I have given you the access.c is name of your C program. So whenever you do this -o XSS, then you have to just at the time of running you have to give the command that ./xxx. But in our means the last time lab session, what we have given the command that is a.out. मीन्स अगर आपने ये फाइल, ये -o करके फाइल नेम अगर आपने सेव नहीं किया है, आउटपुट फाइल, दिस इज फॉर आउटपुट फाइल. then by default it will store in a dot out file. So ये सेम कमांड है, both are the same command. The difference is only we are saving the output file as a xxx, and here we are not saving any file, so it will by default save a dot out. So we have to we have to give command that dot slash a dot out. Okay, इतना समझ गए सबको? Everyone understood? Okay, then for G plus plus, what is it? I told you कि I am going to explain what is IGL, what is GL2. So IGLUT, the OpenGL Utility Toolkit, that is GULT. You can call it as a GULT. This is the library of utilities for OpenGL programs, which primarily perform system level input output with the host operating system, that is which is our host operating system? It is Ubuntu. Okay, so functions performed include window definition, window control, and monitoring of keyboard and mouse input. So I have already in last lab session, I think we have seen what is the window, how we are going to use the window. Okay, so this, what is window definition, what is window control, and monitoring of keyboard and mouse input, I will explain you in detail in today's lecture only. So you understood what is IGLUT? It is GULT. GLUT means GULT, that is OpenGL Utility Toolkit. So what is GL then? GL is Open Graphics Library, that is GL is a cross-language, cross-platform application programming interface, that is API, for rendering 2D and 3D vector graphics. So it is the cross platform. What is cross platform? Anyone? Shruti, what is cross platform? Okay, you know, if you in hello, who is answering? Tell me the answer. Okay, so
Hello,
in
ma'am.
Java, you know, hello.
Cross-platform software is a software that is uh, that works on several computing platforms. Like it also works on Microsoft Windows as well as Linux as well as Mac
Yes.
OS.
Yes, like any language, any example for
What, ma'am?
actually example of cross platform.
Uh, Adobe softwares like Photoshop, Adobe Reader, etc.
Okay, I'm asking you the programming means language. Actually, Java, you know, na, in Java, if
Yes,
you
Java is cross.
yes, if you write any program in Java, if the system is having JDK, then you can run that program anywhere. It is cross platform, right? So if you
Right.
write any program in OpenGL, you can run that program in any OS or anything. Just what is the basic name, that is OpenGL library should be there. Okay. So the API is typically used to interact with graphics processing unit, that is GPU, to achieve hardware accelerated rendering. So anyone know what is GPU? How GPU is different than CPU? Anyone know?
No, ma'am.
Ruturaj, any idea?
Ma'am, GPU has many small cores.
Okay, anyone?
Ma'am, it is used for graphics processing.
Okay.
It is used for graphics processing.
Nowadays, you guys actually you buy a laptop with GPU. For what you buy the high version of GPU? Because for playing the different kind of game, right? What GPU does actually, it will give you the very good rendering of 2D and 3D vector graphics. Actually, GPU is the processing unit. It is like a CPU only, but it is having number of, small number of graphical unit which will perform whatever the operation you want in a fastest way in a parallelly. Okay, so it will provide you the high definition of picture, or if you play any video game, so it will provide you a means अगर आपको कोई animation देखना है and if you are using GPU in your system, it will give you the real time experience, that is virtually it will show you ki best experience with the GPU instead of CPU. Okay, so it will use to achieve the accelerated rendering. So again we will go what is GLEW. We have seen what is GUID, what is GL, right? Now GLEW. So the OpenGL extension Wrangler library is a cross-platform open source C or C++ extension loading library. This is also a library. All these are the different library which we are going to use in our programming for rendering purpose, or you can say for giving a very good graphics, you can say visualization. Okay, so GLEW provide efficient runtime mechanism for determining which OpenGL extension are supported on the target platform. So just hold on for 2 minutes. ऍक्च्युली माझं ना नेहा राजस म्हणून आहे, पाटील का टाकतात काय मी म्हटलं जाऊ दे, केलंय सगळ्यांनी पाटील. नाही, इट्स ओके, चला या 1 वाजता. So what is GLU? The OpenGL utility library is a computer graphics library for OpenGL. So here GLU, it is OpenGL utility library for the computer graphics library for OpenGL. Okay, so it consists of number of function that uses the base OpenGL library to provide higher level of drawing routine from the more primitive routine that OpenGL provides. It is usually distributed with the base of OpenGL package. Okay, so these are the just basic introduction of you can say library which we are going to use in while doing the programming. So installing OpenGL or GULT library in Ubuntu 14.04 or any Ubuntu any version. So you have to first type sudo apt get update. Then first step to install the development library of OpenGL GULT in Ubuntu is sudo apt get इंस्टॉल फ्री GULT. ये हमने अभी देखा, ये आपको सारे लाइब्रेरी इंस्टॉल करने हैं. So it will install whatever the needed libraries for the OpenGL programming. Okay, so I have already shown you all these things, right? So let's go for the abstraction. What is GULT? It include windowing toolkit. So आपको विंडो, जैसे हम अभी ये विंडो देख रहे हैं, ये विंडो में जो भी आपका ऑपरेशन होगा बाय यूजिंग की, माउस, हैंडलर और विंडो इवेंट, it all this operation is saved into the GULT library. That is, what is GULT? We have just seen what is GULT. OpenGL utility toolkit. Okay, then GLU. In GLU, we have saved, that is viewing or perspective or orthographic. I think in engineering drawing you have seen this, or means there are different view of the same image, right? So
Front view,
the
back view,
viewing
top view.
is saved into the GLU. Then image scaling, polygon installation, I think installation means I will check this thing, okay. Then sphere, cylinder, quadratic surface, all this operation is saved is in a GLU. Then what is GL? This is OpenGL library which store the primitive, that is point, line, polygon, shading and color, then translation, rotating, scaling. What is translation, rotating, scaling? It will we will see in unit number 2. These are the content of unit 2. When we go for the I think number 3 practical, then we have to use the translation, rotation and scaling. All these things I will explain you in the unit 2. Okay, so let's see what is OpenGL object form. So define the OpenGL in a GL begin or GL end loop. आपको होता है जब आप कोई भी जावा का प्रोग्राम लिखते हो तो आपको कहाँ से स्टार्ट करना होता है? It will start from main and it will end. Okay, so in OpenGL you have to start with the GL begin, GL vertex, and it will end at a GL end. Okay, two kind of primitive that is used to define the object. What are the two primitive? That is point, line and polygon. In point or line there is a no interior. आपको भी पता है अगर point है तो उसको कुछ interior exterior नहीं होगा. It is like a just point. Then line भी एक straight line होगी, उसको कुछ interior और outer exterior नहीं होगा. But in polygon you have the different surfaces. Okay. So these are the GL points, that is by using OpenGL library you can draw these points. Then these are the GL line. We have already seen the DDA algorithm and Bresenham algorithm for drawing the lines, and we have to draw all these lines in our today's practical session. Okay, so this is a GL line strip. So what is different between GL line and strip? It is continuous, it is showing as a strip, and this is GL line loop, or this loop is also called as a polygon. So these are the different type of object form. So what is GL polygon? Edges are perform line, loop and close. I told you earlier. In this diagram, it is forming a loop. So we can call it as a polygon. So your second unit is a polygon. We have to see all the properties of a polygon. You can ask me, why madam we are going for a polygon only? Why not other geometrical shapes? So basic unit of any geometrical shape or any image or anything in the world is a point, right? And line is formed with the point. So in our earlier sessions we have seen how to draw the line, right? And one session is remaining for how to draw the circle, right? So all these are the basic theme, and polygon can be converted into any different shape. So our second unit consists of polygon only. Okay, so edges has no width. अगर आपको कोई polygon बनाना है तो the edges is having no width. Then define either fill or edge using GL polygon mode. So we will see in detail in next unit. I am just giving you the brief idea of what is the primitive of the OpenGL. So this is the triangles and quadrilaterals. So this is the GL triangle strip. ये जो triangle है, but हमें connected triangle को again हमने connected किया तो it will show as a strip. This is quadrilateral strip. जो हमारा quadrilateral आपको पता है. So this is the quadrilateral strip, and this is a triangle fan. So here strip and fan. GL triangle strip, GL quadrilateral strip and GL triangle fan. We have seen here. Okay. So now second attribute is color attribute. So what is color attribute? For RGB mode, यानी आपको अगर कोई भी मीन्स आपने ड्राइंग के सेशंस में भी देखा होगा, इफ यू वांट टू पेंट एनी ड्राइंग देयर आर बेसिक कलर, which are the basic color, that is RGB. Black and white is there, but it is not we call as a color, it is black, means black and white. So for coloring any image we have RGB mode. So what is RGB? R means red, G means green, and B means blue. So if you want to color white, you have to give as a 1 1 1. This, what is this? This is RGB. If you want to print any red color point, so you have to just give 1 as a for first parameter you will give 1.0, so it will print whole image as a red one. तो GL पॉइंट साइज मीन्स अगर आपको कोई पिक्सल और कोई प्रिंट आपको पॉइंट प्रिंट करना है तो उसकी साइज आपको देनी है 2.0. सो इट विल बी 2 पिक्सल वाइड, मीन्स 2 by 2 का पिक्सल होगा वो. इट कंसिस्ट 2 पिक्सल्स ओनली, 2 पिक्सल वाइड. So no, if two display differ in pixel size, rendering image may appear slightly different. ये कैसे होगा, ये सब हम प्रैक्टिकल सेशन में देखेंगे. ओके, so what are the GULT callback function? So event driven, that is program that uses Windows. विंडो यानी हमारी ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम का विंडो नहीं होगा. हमने देखा था कि आपको अगर जस्ट एक विंडो डिस्प्ले करना है स्क्रीन के ऊपर, तो दैट विंडो रेफर हियर एज अ विंडो. ओके, सो कोई भी प्रोग्राम में हमें अगर विंडो प्रिंट करना है, दैट प्रोग्राम इज कॉल्ड एज ए इवेंट ड्रिवन. So it will consist of input output operation, then wait until an event happen and then execute some predefined function according to the user's input. अगर हम विंडो जनरेट कर रहे हैं तो we have to write or we have to draw something inside that window. So we have to wait some event should happen into that window. Okay, so what type of event can be happen into that window? So key press or mouse button press and release or window resize, etc. So I will show you at the end of this lecture how can the window is appear on the on your system. Okay, your OpenGL program will be in infinite loop. So GULT callback function, again we will see what is callback function. Routine to call when an event happen. अगर आपको okay, we will see this first. Window resize और redraw. अगर आपको अगर suppose this means अभी आपके पास अभी आपको ये दिख रहा है ये white portion. If I want to resize this window, then I will use window resize or redraw function to resize the window. Or another function is input user input, that is ये कर्सर हिल रहा है, हाउ कैन दिस कर्सर इज मूविंग बाय यूजिंग माउस, राइट? और इफ आई प्रेस एनी की ऑफ द कीबोर्ड, देन आवर स्लाइड गोज टू द नेक्स्ट. These are mouse and keyboard. Then animation is our unit or 60 unit. At that time we will see what is the animation. Okay, so what is register callback with GULT? So there are different function, that is display function, then ideal function, then keyboard function, then mouse function. Whenever you use your this function also we will see in practical session or assignment number 5. When you just click your mouse, then it will draw the polygon. Okay, so we will see in detail in I think assignment number 4. So what is event queue? This is the main loop. This is the event queue. और यहाँ पे हमने लिखा है कि mouse callback, key press callback and window callback. So all these are the different operation which we are going to perform on the window or any programming. So what is rendering callback? Callback function where all our drawing is done. एवरी गर्ल प्रोग्राम मस्ट हैव अ डिस्प्ले कॉल बैक. ये आपको अभी ना इतने अच्छे से समझ में नहीं आएगा बिकॉज वी हैव टू डू द प्रैक्टिकल सेशंस. व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू रन your means practical, then only you get to know how all these are working. So this is one of my function, void my display function, and I am writing whatever the coding I want into the display function. So first of all, I will initiate the color buffer bit. Then I will start with GL begin, and I try to write down, try to draw one triangle. So I am giving the vertex of the triangle. So for drawing the triangle, we need 3 vertex, right? So I am giving 0, 1, 2, these 3 vertex, and then I am ending the program. And what is GL flush? GL flush is for the releasing the memory. So we will see in this example. In the start, we have to write gult main loop. What is gult main loop? All these are the service function of the OpenGL library. So begin an event processing loop. Let the window waiting for kill process. So अभी आप ये प्रोग्राम देख रहे हो. आज के लैब सेशन में पहले हम यही प्रोग्राम करेंगे, ठीक है? So this is first of all we have to include GL library and GURT library. अब जैसे C++ के प्रोग्राम में आप लिखते थे ना, आई थिंक IOStream .h, उसके बाद होता है stdin .h, right? So in graphics library we have to write gl/gult.h. So it will include all the graphics library which we have seen earlier. So let's start with the program, that is void main int argc character argv. आपको पता होगा ये क्यों यूज करते हैं. एनीवन कैन टेल मी व्हाई वी आर यूजिंग argc and argv? आई थिंक इट आपके फर्स्ट ईयर में ये हो चुका है. टेल मी, दिस इज द बेसिक ऑफ C++. Anyone? Shravan, Kaustubh? Why we use argc and argv? Like in Java we use.
Hello, ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am, that are command line arguments.
Yes. Who and Abhinav, right? So these are the command line argument. So what is GURT init? I will explain you in the next slide. Okay, wait for some time. Okay. Okay, just have a look on this function. I will explain this all the function in previous slides. Okay, so GURT init display mode. There is one display mode. Until and unless you use this display mode, nothing is visualized in the screen. So it is initialized as a GURT single and GURT RGB. We are going to provide the color for the display mode. Then GURT init window size, we are defining the size of our window. Then GURT create window, जो हमारी विंडो होती है, लाइक अगर ये विंडो के ऊपर जो टाइटल आता है ना, उसके लिए हम यहाँ पे क्रिएट विंडो, दैट इज सिंपल OpenGL एग्जाम्पल. देन डिस्प्ले फंक्शन myInit and GURT main loop. So this is the simple program of GURT OpenGL. So OpenGL supports, ये कुछ नहीं है, ये जो मैंने अभी एक्सप्लेन किया है ना वही है जो अभी दिया था. Why we are using to display the callback routine for drawing, why we are using keyboard function for the keyboard callback, this is used for mouse callback. Okay, so we will go for the next slide. Okay, so OpenGL supports several basic primitive types. including point, line, quadrilateral, general polygon. All of these are the specified using a sequence of vertices. जैसे आपने अभी तक जो प्रोग्रामिंग की थी उसमें क्या थे प्रिमिटिव टाइप, जैसे आप इंटीजर यूज करते थे, फ्लोट यूज करते थे, या कैरेक्टर यूज करते थे, या स्ट्रिंग यूज करते थे. ऑल दीज आर द डेटा टाइप्स, राइट. सो इन कंप्यूटर ग्राफिक्स हम we are dealing with the geometrical shapes, or you can say as a point, line, quadrilateral and a polygon are the primitive of the CG. Okay, so all these primitive are specified using a sequence of vertices. So how we are going to print any, हमने देखा था लेक्चर में, if you want to print any line you have to provide the p1 x1 and p2 x2 y2. हमें क्या करना था, उसके दो पॉइंट देने थे. सो व्हाट इज GL vertices to, so it is the starting and end point, or you can say vertex of any geometric shape which is given as a xi yi. So this is integer only, you know, int is for integer and GL is for, this is for graphical library. Okay, so GL vertices which we are given as a float, then we have given here GL float, then GL begin which GL lines. अगर आपको लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है तो उसके दो वर्टिसेस आपको देने पड़ेंगे. then GL end defined a pair of point as GL points. ये just primitive, I am introducing just primitive of the graphics library. Okay, so OpenGL. So what is GULT init display mode? So before opening a graphics window we need to decide on the depth of the buffer associated with the window. In I told you, whenever we want in raster scan display and random scan display, we have something buffer is there. Okay, buffer आपको याद आ रहा है, मैंने बोला था कुछ बफर मेमोरी होती है, बफर फ्रेम होता है, राइट. In display mode we are dealing with that buffer associated with window. The following table show the type of parameter that can be stored on a per pixel basis. अगर आप RGB यूज कर रहे हो, अगर आपको A ड्रॉ करना है, अल्फा और एक्यूमुलेशन बफर यूज फॉर कंपोजिट इमेज. सो आपको क्या करना है, हाँ, ये जो RGB के बाद अगर A रखा है, सो इट विल यूज फॉर बफर टू स्टोर द एक्स्ट्रा इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट दैट function. So Z is used for the depth value used for Z buffer visibility test. ये जब आप परफॉर्म करोगे ना ऑपरेशन ऑन द सिस्टम, देन यू कैन गेट टू नो व्हाट वी आर यूजिंग फॉर अल्फा एंड Z. ओके, सो अगेन वी विल गो फॉर नेक्स्ट वीविंग इन 2D. ये जो वीविंग पोर्शन है ना, ये भी यूनिट 2 में आएगा. एट दैट टाइम आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू व्हाट इज वीविंग. So now we will go for the header file. You all know all as other than that we also need to include the header file required by C or C++. All of you know what is include stdio, why we include mat.h or std library. Okay, so इसके बाद क्या है, विंडो मैनेजमेंट, डिस्प्ले विंडो मैनेजमेंट यूजिंग GULT. So initialize the GULT init. ये init क्या होता है, init is used for initializing the function. What is the long form of init? It is initializing the GULT. So and I ask you what is ARGC and ARGV. So it can be substituted with the command line argument, but as for now just leave it as it is. So ये just आपको पता है, कमांड लाइन पे जब भी हमको ये पास करेंगे, then we are going to use this argument. So what is GULT init? It is initialize the GULT library. It is initializing function. So we will initialize the GULT library and negotiate a session with the Windows system. During ये विंडो जब भी यूज होगा ना, it is not window operating system, it is for the window which we are going to print at the time of programming. Okay, so during this process, Gulp init may cause the termination of Gulp program with an error message to user if Gulp cannot be properly initialized. Gulp init must be called before others. आपने देखा होगा कि ये जो प्रोग्राम है जो हमने अभी देखा है, सबसे पहले आपको गल्ट इनिट यूज करना है, वहां से ही आपका प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट होगा. ओके, so after that gulp init is used to initialize the gulp library. Description is given here. So gulp init will initialize the gulp library and ये हमने देखा है ना अभी. Okay, then again, what is gulp init display mode? What is GL single and GL RGB? So initializing the display mode function. And what is GL? Built in the constant which are or together, means constant which are this or, you know na, or and gate, this is used for oring the single and RGB together, can be changed based on the table below. So what is the table below? Okay, that given table मैंने ये बताया था ना आपको, ये table, it can be changed by using this table. So we will see what it is. Frame buffer is a special 2D array in main memory where the graphical image is stored. आपको मैंने बताया था कि मेन जो मेमोरी होता है उसका एक फ्रेम बफर होता है where we are storing our 2D array, where we are storing our graphical image. So OpenGL maintain an enhanced version of frame buffer with additional information. The system also needs to know how we are representing color of our general needs in order to determine the depth of number of bits to assign for each pixel in the frame buffer. The argument of gulp init display mode is a logical or using the operator or of a number of possible options. So आप ये और ऑप्शन यूज कर
Ma'am, you got muted.
Am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I think there is some network issue. That's why my connection get lost. So we are here now, window position. Just let me know if I am not audible or anything went wrong. Now, please, any of you call me and tell me, ma'am, you are not audible, okay? Or message me on WhatsApp. So now I am audible now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So we are here. Set the initial location of window. आपको पता है ऐसे जो भी window ऐसी display होती है. So what gult init window position do? It will set the position of your window. You can print window here, 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 or all through the screen. So initializing window position function, setting the position of window from upper left corner of the screen. जो स्क्रीन का अपर लेफ्ट कॉर्नर होता है सो यहाँ पे क्या होता है वी हैव सीन कि इन raster scan also whatever the display operation is going on it will start from the left corner of the screen, left upper corner of the screen. So again we will go for the next slide. What is gult init window size? So it will define the size of your window. Initializing the window size function, which is setting the size of the window. So it will set the size of your window, that is width of the window and height of the window. So open and display a window. Gult create window. So in the window here we can write anything, means in your window it can print hold on for 1 second. हॅलो माझं लेक्चर सुरू आहे पण 10 मिनिटं तरी लागेल मला. ओके हां बरं. So when you want to print hello word or anything like this is window for showing the output of something, so you have to give that string here by using gult create window. So function that open and display a window, a character string that will appear on the title bar. जो हमारा टाइटल बार होता है उस पे whatever you write in instead of this string it will show on the title bar. So display window management using gult. So ये मैंने आपको जो बता रही थी ये हमारा सपोज विंडोज ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम का बैकग्राउंड है. सो इफ वी राइट एनी प्रोग्राम तो ये हमारी विंडो शो होगी और वॉट एवर यू राइट इन द दिस क्रिएट विंडो इट विल शो हियर. Then what is the position of this window? This is start from the this upper left corner. Then what is the side of window? We have already see how can we define the size. That size can be whole screen size. ये अभी जो हमने ये जो फंक्शन दिखे ना डिस्प्ले मोड, इसमें हम देखो यहाँ पे हमने सिंगल यूज किया है गल्ट सिंगल एंड RGB, ये पूरा व्हाइट दिख रहा है. ओके So all this we have seen hello world OpenGL program, ये यहाँ पे print होगा. Today we are going to implement this into our practical session to write down this program and display window on the screen, and after that we are going to print the line. Okay, So GULT window position or GULT init window size. So all these are the GULT window position set to the initial window position and size respectively. What is the usage? So हमने यहाँ पे ये सब width in pixel and height in pixel हमने define किया है. So nothing much. हाँ. So we will go to the what is GULT main loop. Make sure the window continue running should be at the last line. So हमें main loop जो है function to specify what to display on the window. This should be the last function in the program. It will display the initial graphics and put the program into an infinite loop that checks for input program. आपको अभी आपने देखा है जो हमारी ये विंडो थी ये कंटिन्यू डिस्प्ले होनी चाहिए, ऐसे नहीं कि आफ्टर मीन्स इट विल जस्ट हमें जस्ट 2 मिनट के लिए दिखे और बंद हो जाए, ऐसा नहीं होने के लिए दिस मेन लूप हमें लास्ट में लिखना है. व्हाट इट विल डू, इट विल पुट प्रोग्राम इनटू द इनफाइनाइट लूप so that we can see window whatever time we want. Okay, if the program is not interactive program, then this function will make sure the window is being displayed at the time until the user close the window. So again we will this is the GULT display function to specify what to display on the window. अभी तक हमने क्या देखा, how to print this window. अभी हम क्या देखेंगे कि ये विंडो के अंदर हमें अगर कुछ प्रिंट करना है, so how can we print anything inside that window. So this is function that is GULT display function, which is parameter is another function and that function name. So function to specify what to be displayed on the window. The name of the function that contain the lines to be executed. तो हमें अलग से एक फंक्शन लिखना पड़ेगा. जैसे हम फंक्शन लिखेंगे DDA और उसके अंदर हम पूरा अल्गोरिदम लिखेंगे कि हाउ कैन वी ड्रॉ द लाइन इनसाइड दैट विंडो. सो again we will see what is the display mode meaning. So GULT RGB, what is GULT RGBA and what is GULT index. So use of RGB color default 24-bit color. Okay, so this A use for alpha for transparency means it will means आपका अगर जो कलर यूज कर रहे हैं अगर वो व्हाइट है तो 1 for fully opaque and 0 for fully transparent. Okay, so these are the GULT single, GULT double and GULT depth. We have seen this display mode, I think here this is the GL single and this is GL library. Likewise this single, instead of single we can write it as a double and we can write it as a GULT depth. Yes, so what why means यूज सिंगल बफरिंग. सिंगल क्यों लिखते हैं, जब भी हमें सिंपल प्रोग्राम प्रिंट करना है तब. व्हेन वी यूज डबल बफरिंग टू सेपरेट फ्रेम बफर फ्रॉम बफर एंड बैक बफर. हम यहाँ पे 2 सेपरेट बफर यूज करते हैं. ओके, फ्रंट बफर फॉर डिस्प्लेइंग, बैक बफर फॉर ड्राइंग. जो हमारा फ्रंट बफर होता है वो क्या स्टोर करता है, to display anything, and back buffer will store the drawing. Okay, so likewise here is use depth buffer. So this is needed for 3-dimensional graphic for hidden the surface remover. This is used as a special array called as a depth buffer. अभी आई थिंक हमारा सेकेंड यूनिट पॉलिनोमियल है एंड पॉलीगॉन है और थर्ड यूनिट हमारा 3D रिलेटेड टू 3-dimensional graphics hai. So at that time we will see what is GULT depth. Okay, so then GL clear color. So we have seen this red, green, blue and this is opacity. So function to specify the background color of the window and first 3 parameter determine the value of RGB respectively and the last parameter is for opaqueness or you can say as a transparency. Okay, So here I am just giving the example of GL color 3i. So what is 3i? Function to specify background color of the window. Then what is 3? The number 3 is for the number of color component, that is red, green and blue. And what is I? The letter I is for the data type, I is for integer, you know that. So, and what is RGB? You know that parameter is for red, green and blue respectively. So this is for the 2D. I will show this at the time of polygon unit number 2. So now just see this simple sample program. We have to first include the GULT library and GL library. Then we have to initialize window size as a 500 and 500. This you can use GULT double, GULT single, or operation is needed here. Okay. So then we will create window like simple window. Then we will start with the init, then display function, keyboard function and main loop. At the end we have to write this GULT main loop for keeping that window continuous. So why we are using display mode? Specify the display mode RGB or color index, single or double buffer. Then what is create a window name simple with the resolution of 500 by 500. Then what is init? Your OpenGL initialization code. It is optional. So what is GULT display function? Register your callback function. Then what is main loop? We have seen this. The program goes into infinite loop waiting for the event. जैसे हमें वो window continue show करने के लिए वो function needed है. So what is display function? ये हमने अलग से display function लिखा है. The function you provide, it contains all the OpenGL drawing function call and will be called when pixel in the window need to be refreshed. Okay, so this is your program. So in today's lecture we are going to see how to run and how to write all this program, that is DDA line algorithm. So I will share this PPT on your SE practical group. We have seen these things, right? This is x1, x2, this is y1, y2, all. Hello? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
तो आपको समझ रहा है? अभी तक मैंने जो बताया समझ में आया सबको? So this is the program for DDA algorithm. So x1, x2, y1, y2, all these are the points or p1, p2 point. So हमें क्या first हमें क्या find out करना होता है? dy dx, then step number of steps, x, y, k, x increment and y increment. So what is dx? Dx is x2 minus x1. What is dy? Dy is y2 minus y1. Then if dx is greater than dy, we have to continue these steps, else we have to do all these steps. So all these operation we are going to see in our lab session. So x in equal to, what is our increment step? That is x increment is dx divided by step and y increment is dy divided by step. Then we initialize x as a x1 and y as a y1. Then GL begin points plot करना शुरू करेगा and GL vertex 2y x, y and GL end. ये end हो जाएगा और ये हमारा for loop है. ओके और बाद में हमें init में ये जो values है ये सब put on करना है. So create window DDA line algorithm और ये हमारी जो point दिए है x1 y1 की यह हमें print करने हैं. Okay, so this program we are going to do in our practical session. I will share you the PPT after this lecture. So किसी को कोई doubt है यहाँ तक? Any doubt? Any doubt till now? अगर प्रैक्टिकल सेशन में मैंने अगर बोला है आपको प्रैक्टिकल्स करने हैं तो आपको आएगा करते? Don't ask me logical question at that time because I'm explaining you everything in lectures. अगर कुछ प्रॉब्लम है तो अभी कुछ डाउट है तो अभी मुझे पूछिए आप.